All right, people, we're very excited for episode 2 of Skate IQ with Christopher Mcnugget Perez.
Yeah.
Christopher Perez Mcnugget?
No, you had it right the first time.
Whichever way you guys want to roll.
Yeah.
So if you guys are not familiar with Skate IQ, it is the point system that I set up at brailleskateboarding.com/ranks. Not all the tricks are on there. I definitely need to update that. But the basic idea of this is that you do a trick and it has a point system. I think kickflip is like a point, maybe 2 points or something like that. But all the points are laid out on that website, brailleskateboarding.com/ranks. That's where you get your rank in the Braille army. So I had this idea for do as many tricks as you can in a 30-minute time period. We've only done one of these videos once, and it's not even edited yet. We don't even know what the score is. And it's not even so much that you're competing against other people, but more that you're competing against yourself, because then you can come do this again 3 months later and get more points, we hope, and that means your skateboard IQ has raised.
All right.
So we're just gonna set a timer for 30 minutes and you're gonna go crazy.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you some pointers, okay? I'm gonna give you some pointers. Don't just do all the tricks in the beginning. Like, what I mean by that is space yourself out a little bit.
Okay.
Because after 5 minutes of me doing this, I was so tired, my legs were like noodles and I could barely even stand up, which kind of made it fun. That's good that you're stretching. Yeah. So I guess without further ado, we're gonna set a timer, and then at the end, you're gonna call out somebody to do the same.
Okay.
You're gonna say, I did my skate IQ, now I wanna see blah person do it. So there we go. 30 minutes!
I am sweating so good. stuck with that thing. Jeez. I'm gonna go really slow actually right here. That's good. Oh, 2.5. Oh, my quads. I should have set up a new board, I knew it. I am beat. 30 minutes of straight flat ground. Put the cardio to the test. So there you have it, there's my skate IQ. I'm gonna call Andy Schrock to put this to the test. Put himself to the test actually, because it's a test of endurance and creativity. So Andy Schrock, I challenge you to do the skate IQ.
All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. I thought it was really, really, really incredible. I'm really excited about this new series, and I'm really excited about getting other people to film their videos and then send them to us. So far, I challenged Johnny Geiger, and I did Instagram him and say, did you see the video? And he said he did, and he said he would film it. And then obviously at the end of this video, Chris Mcnugget challenged Andy Schrock, so I'm really excited to see that one as well. The scoring has been a little bit of a situation, so I'm going to explain how we're going to score every single person's skate IQ. I came up with this idea because I think it's the easiest possible way to score it. So every basic trick is 1 point. An ollie is 1 point, frontside 180 is 1 point, backside 180 is 1 point, pop shove it is 1 point, heel flip is 1 point, kick flip is 1 point. You get the idea here, right? So if you were to do a frontside kick flip, frontside 180 kick flip, that would be, because it's a frontside 180 and a kick flip, 2 points. So if you were to do a 360 flip, it is a 360 pop shove it, which is 2 pop shove it's, so for the 360 shove, that's 2 points, and the kick flip is 1 point, so a 360 flip is 3 points. I'm going to have to update brailleskateboarding.com/ranks to show it like this, but I realized there's so many tricks in skateboarding. So if you did a step off, no comply 180, 1 point for the step off, 1 point for the 180, 2 points. So you see how you can add anything, and especially when we get Johnny Geiger's submission, it's gonna be late flip. 1 point for the late, 1 point for the flip, 2 points. This is the easiest possible way I could think of to score it, and I think it's really cool. Everybody gets scored exactly the same, and I'm very sorry because I didn't mean for this to occur, and I didn't even know, but my video, when it went up, it didn't get scored. So Daniel and I went back through and we scored it. So my score is 219, which I thought was pretty good. When I watched the video back again, I was like, if I stop telling so many jokes, then I might actually get like a pretty good score. And I saw some of the tricks and I was like, wow, switch double flip that I did, I was really impressed with myself. So I'm just gonna give myself a pat on the back. Chris Mcnugget's IQ was 229. When I saw his video, I was like, this man is a brilliant genius. He did every possible step-off combination that you could possibly think of. So I guess the video series is appropriately named IQ, because that is really, really, really smart. 1 point for the step-off, 1 point for the shove, 1 point for the 180, whatever it is. So step-off, shove it, 2 points. An easy 2 points. And when your legs are like bleeding on the inside because of the sheer momentum and pain that you have exerted them, a good round of step-offs can really help you. So shout out Chris Mcnugget, he got 229. He beat me. Now I do want to point out that you guys can play this against each other, but really the whole concept of this is less against each other, more against yourself. So I'm going to come back in about 2 weeks, a month, and maybe I'll take 5 years off. And when I come back, I want my IQ to have increased. Hopefully it did. I hope that next time I can get a better score than 219. So I think you guys get the concept of the video, and we'll be posting the video of the people that we have challenged, and then let's just get this thing going. The whole idea here is to push skateboarding out further, 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 get more people into skateboarding. Obviously, if you're a beginner skateboarder and it takes you 30 minutes to go through the Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1 tricks and your score is like 10 points, that's cool. Like, we need more people skating like you guys, learning how to skateboard. So get out there on your boards, and yeah, I'll update brailleskateboarding.com/ranks to explain the whole scoring system, and then I'll just list out some tricks and give the points. But in this way, even if the trick is not listed, you on your own can figure out how to score it. Just be smart, and let's see your guys' IQs. I really want you guys to make your own video and then send it to us. There is a submission form on brailleskateboarding.com where you can submit your videos, and we'll be really excited to see that, and we will definitely post them. So make your video, shout out your friends, call your friends out, have them do it. Let's go, Skate IQ Challenge. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are incredible, and let's grow this wonderful world of skateboarding together. You're the best.